Okay guys, so what options you got when setting up Davinci Resolve to work with SLOG3 or basically log footage? In project settings, color management tab, you can let Davinci Resolve to decide how to approach color management. So let me choose Davinci YRGB color management, color managed, and leave the automatic color management checked. Then in the color page, you got two options. You can apply a lookup table at the clip level. If you don't see clips, you can activate it by clicking clips. Then select your SLOG3 clips, right-click on it, LUT, and search for Sony SLOG3 to Rec 709 LUT. You can of course install more LUTs. To do it, just copy your lookup table into the correct folder. If we go back to the project settings, Shift 9 in the color management tab, scroll down to the lookup tables section and click Open LUT folder. That is the folder you need to copy your lookup table into. Okay, apart from applying the LUT at the clip level, you can do it in more controlled manner. Workflow-wise, what I mean is, in the color nodes panel, just right-click the node and select the LUT the same way as you did before. I said it's more controllable way because now you can decide whether you want to grade before or after the LUT. Since the LUT is converting from SLOG3 to Rec 709, it's better to grade in the larger color space, which is SLOG3. So try to always color grade to the left of your LUT node. To create a serial node before selected node, tap Shift S. Okay, so that would be automatic color management. You can also set the SLOG3 color space as default at the project level. Let's go back to project settings, Shift 9 or File Project Settings, and in the color management tab, uncheck automatic color management. In the color processing mode, select custom and check use separate color space and gamma. So our input color space would be Sony S Gamma 3 Cine and SLOG3, timeline color space, Davinci White Gamut, and Davinci Intermediate. And output color space, Rec 709 and Gamma 2.4 or Gamma 2.2, depending on how you set up your display. So now when we save it, all the clips are treated as if recorded in SLOG3. That approach might be problematic when you grade clips from different cameras, not only SLOG3. And the last setup, I want to show you my favorite one. In project settings, switch color science to Davinci YRGB, which means Davinci Resolve will not try to guess or interfere to our color management. We need to do it on our own. Timeline color space set to Davinci White Gamut, Davinci White Gamut Intermediate. Output color space, Rec 709 with Gamma 2.4 in my case. And now in the nodes panel, we need to use Color Space Transform tool. So from the effect, search for Color Space Transform and apply it to the node. And color grade to the left. Or you can sandwich your grade with Color Space Transform nodes. So in the first node, apply CST as well, but convert from SLOG3 to Davinci White Gamut. Then do your color grading and transform back to Rec 709, but from Davinci White Gamut this time. So in here we've got SLOG3 color space. We transform it into Davinci White Gamut, which is even larger color space, and in here we transform back from Davinci White Gamut to Rec 709. This is how most of the pro colorists approach color management in Davinci. Okay, hope you've got a better understanding how to create log images in Davinci Resolve and what are the main setup options. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Cheers and see you in the next one.